Samsung will copy a new Apple Intelligence feature from the iPhone. Artificial intelligence is something that Samsung started using ahead of Apple. In fact, on the iPhone, there are still many features that were announced that we cannot use because they are only available in US English. So if you want to use them, you have to configure your cell phone in this language, and that complicates things a bit more. On the other hand, Samsung has features that you can already use that are quite attractive. Apple seems to have been inspired by several of them to launch Apple Intelligence. However, Apple also launched some new features that we haven't seen in Galaxy AI. One of them is the summary of notifications, with which the device could intelligently show you in a few words what is said in the whole notification or a whole group of notifications. This way, you save a lot more time. So it's a feature that I think Samsung developers liked when they were watching the iPhone presentation, and they said, let's put it in the next update. So probably with the arrival of Galaxy S25 and One UI 7 will debut this Galaxy AI feature. In fact, Samsung has released an official statement noting that they are still working on Galaxy AI novelties and this kind of thing. So there's no doubt that it's a very positive thing that Apple has finally decided to start incorporating artificial intelligence stuff, because again, it will cause between various brands to start seeing new ideas, start copying some, start improving others, and that just benefits all of us as users.